Good evening. My name is Major Wes Whitaker. I'd like to talk to you this evening about the career building technology that the Princeton Review has. As an educator, a lot of times I ask students, what's your plans after high school? As a matter of fact, just this week, I was administering a ACT test and asked students the same thing after the test. And a lot of students don't know what they want to do, or they may not even know what they're good at. And so this career quiz is 24 questions, and I'll just go through a few questions just to show you what this is like. And we'll continue. I promise you I won't go through all 24 questions. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I might get elected, who knows? I'll do these last four. And so at the end of 24 questions, what you come up with is your results, and they're color coded. If it's red, you're expediting as a, I guess, career choice. That's your style. If it's green, you're a communicator or communicating. That's your style. Mine was blue, which is planning, and yellow is administrating or being an administrator. And so, since I was a blue, it tells me my interest, what they could be, and my style. And so, leadership style. And so, what I can do from here is hit recommended careers. And what I receive here is at least 72 options that I can look through. That's quite a bit to look through. So I'm going to pick social worker. So it tells me the life of a social worker, what to expect, what I need as far as education. It tells me about my job, how it is in the present, how it can be in the future. It gives me a quality of life, present and future, 5 years out, 10 years out. And so I think this is pretty powerful, especially for something that's free, to give a student an idea of what they may be good at. And they can search through these various careers. I think this can be very helpful for students. And once a student has an idea of what they may be good at or a goal to shoot for, it's been my experience that when things get hard or people say they can't do something, if they have a passion or a goal, this gives them a reason to be in school. It gives them a reason to fight for those good grades because they want to be, in this case, a social worker or whatever they want to be as far as a career. They're going to give everything they have to reach that goal, especially if they have a passion for it. So, as educators, it's our job to help our students find their passion and then give them the guidance to reach those goals. And I would also suggest having our students have an A, B, or C plan. So that in case something doesn't fall through, they have a couple other options. So with this, I selected this resource to assist my students in identifying possible careers. I often ask students what their plans are after high school, and I would say about 75% of my students have no idea of their strengths or weaknesses. The objective of using this resource is to help my students find goals, careers to work towards. My goal is that they find a career that they have a passion for. And as I said before, they have a passion for something, they're going to work harder towards that goal or those goals that are set. The ISTE standards for students are covered in ISTE 1A and ISTE 3A and B. The ISTE for educators, leaders, I use is ISTE 3D. Regarding the final product, students will understand what career goals they meet, their individual talents, which will provide our students various goals to reach for. Give this a try. I hope it can be helpful for you. Thank you for your time. Take care. Have a great evening.